Welcome to Mr. Steve English channel. Hello. Welcome to Mr. Steve English channel.
Hi everyone, welcome to our channel.
Do you want to learn English in a simple way, in a fun way, and in a real way?
You are in the right place.
So, relax, smile, and let's begin.
Steve, wait, I have a question.
Yes, Clara, good question.
What do we do here on this channel?
Great question, Clara. On this channel, we learn English together, but not in a boring way.
Oh, no.
No boring grammar lessons, no difficult explanations. Here, we learn English with fun podcasts, simple conversations, and real-life topics.
Real life, like daily life?
Exactly. Topics like going to the airport, talking at the restaurant, speaking in a job interview, traveling, meeting new people.
Oh, wow, so English for real life.
Yes, English you can really use. And we post new videos regularly so you can practice again and again. Who is this channel for? Now, let me ask you something. Are you a French speaker learning English?
Maybe you are a beginner?
Maybe you understand a little English, but speaking is difficult.
Or maybe you studied English at school, but you forgot many words.
If that is you, then listen carefully. This channel is for you.
Yes, for you.
This channel is for A1 and A2 learners.
Steve, what does A1, A2 mean?
Good question. A1, A2 means beginner level, simple English, clear English, step by step.
So no stress?
No stress at all. Just practice, listen, and learn together. How do we learn here?
Steve, I am curious. How do we learn English here?
This is the secret. Here we learn English with English.
Wait. We learn English with English?
Exactly. No translation.
Really?
Yes. We explain everything with simple words, clear examples, and repetition.
Repetition?
Yes. Repetition means we say things again. When we repeat, your brain remembers.
Oh, that's smart.
And we speak slowly. We explain new words. We practice together.
So learning English feels like a conversation.
Exactly, Clara. Learning English should feel natural and fun. Now, if you want to improve your English, here is what you can do. First, subscribe to the channel.
Steve, what does subscribe mean?
Great question. Subscribe means s'abonner in French. So click the subscribe button and you follow the channel. You will see every new lesson.
Easy.
Second, turn on the notification bell.
The bell?
Yes, the bell tells you when a new video arrives.
Oh, like a message.
Exactly. And one more thing. Write in the comments right now, "Hello, Mr. Steve."
Yes, write "Hello, Mr. Steve."
We read the comments and we love to see our students.
So remember, if you want to understand English,
If you want to speak English with confidence,
if you want simple lessons and fun podcasts,
then you are in the right place.
welcome to Mr. Steve English family.
Subscribe to the channel, start watching the videos, and practice with us.
See you in the next lesson.
And remember, learning English can be simple.
Yes.
See you in our podcasts.